roadside barbecue stand? Everything tastes better when it's near a road.
Try a taste. Guaranteed to blow your mouth's mind.
Ooh, charred and moist, like Satan's burps. The grill marks are shaped like a honeycomb.
That's why I call her the Hive. It was a gift from the heavens, the perfect smoker. The Hive has never been cooled down, never been cleaned.
Oh, should I do the thing I'm supposed to do or the thing everybody knows I'm gonna do?
You bought a grill?
It's not a grill, it's a smoker that you can grill on.
That money was supposed to de-stink our children.
I can't believe you cooked this.
Well, the secret to barbecue is sitting around doing nothing. No wonder I'm great.